Okay, this week I've got a mac and cheese, but it's a really kicked up version of mac and cheese. As you'll see, there's like 5 different cheeses in the bechamel sauce, and also I use, I believe, a rigatone for the noodles. So let's take a look. I've got some cheddar brats I'll slice up. I'm cutting them smaller to expose more surface area for browning. So I'll just cut them in half and then quarter them and then chop them up. Get a little oil in my hot pan here. Then we'll just get those guys browning. Then I'll chop up a little celery and onion. Season with a little garlic and some ground rosemary. Some Italian herbs and a little liquid smoke. I'll start the roux with a little bit of flour. I haven't drained any of the oil off the cooked sausage. Just keep working the flour in until it looks like enough. And then some heavy cream. A little bit of water. And some chicken base. And a lot of nutmeg. This is a 4 cheese blend. And some Parmesan. Doesn't look cheesy enough, so I'm going to add a little more shredded cheese. And some Parmesan. Crumble up a little sharp cheddar cheese. Get that all mixed in good, and you can see that's looking like a really good sauce there. And the water's about set, so I'll add some salt and the asparagus. I'm just going to boil that in the same water. It'll flavor the water, and I've already got that water going. So. Got that nice and blanched. About 7 minutes, I guess I cooked those. We'll just saute that off in a little bit of bacon grease. Add some soy sauce. And just a little bit of lime juice. Get my ziti going. I'm just going to reserve some of the cooking liquid there. Help the sauce bind to the noodles later. Get those drained. And right back into the hot pan. Add the cooking water. And then our bechamel sauce. Mix that all up, and we're pretty set here. Just plate that up with the asparagus and some of the sourdough loaf. Got some jerky fried onions and some breadcrumbs on there, along with some more Parmesan. Also, you know, you can change up the toppings on this mac and cheese and really send it into another dimension. Toasted breadcrumbs work great. Sprinkle a little more parm on top of that, and then some of the jerky fried onions really push this way out of the normal range. So as you can see, that one's really easy to put together. The main thing to take away from that is how easy a bechamel sauce is to put together, and then adding the cheeses to it and working with that. So until next time, thanks for watching.